Hello, it's Patrick here from the GarageBandGuide.com. In this sound quality face-off, I'm pitting the original OG iRig against the original iRig. This is the original iRig, released by IK Multimedia in 2010 and costing $34.99 when I originally purchased it. And this is a cheap knockoff fake version of the same iRig that I procured from everyone's favourite hive of scum, villainy and cheap Chinese knockoffs, Wish.com, for just $1. Looks-wise, there are some differences between the two. Some of the images on the fake device are a little off, and the jack input is obviously different too. So, how does the cheap option measure up to the real thing sound-wise? Let's find out. 2 interfaces, 4 rounds, only 1 winner.
Fight! Round 1.
Clean test.
Round 2.
Dirty test.
Round 3.
Nice song test.
Round 4.
Nasty song test. So I don't know if I'm more surprised at how closely the Wish iRig matches the official one in terms of sound quality, or that I managed to get something from Wish.com that doesn't completely suck. Either way, I'm sure you'll agree that these two iRigs sound incredibly similar. It would be almost impossible to tell them apart. Good job, Wish. What do you think? Which sounded better to you? And would you use either an original model iRig or a fake one to record nowadays? Those of you that do still have an iOS device with a headphone jack, that is. Leave a comment below and let me know. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.